The title is The Nightingale, a retelling by Violet Findlay, illustrated by Delana Bertoli. Once upon a time, there was a king. He lived in a beautiful palace in the land of China. Behind the palace was a forest. In the forest lived a nightingale. The nightingale sang so sweetly that he was known far and wide. People even wrote books about him. One day, the king read one of the books. This bird lives in the forest behind my palace, but I never hear him sing. I must, said the king. So he sent his most trusted servant to bring back the nightingale. The servant went into the forest. By and by, he came upon a plain brown bird singing a sweet song. It was the nightingale. Will you come to the palace and sing for the king? Asked the servant. Of course, said the nightingale. At the palace, the nightingale sang and sang. He loved the music so much that he cried. I will buy you a fancy cage so you can sing for me always, he said. So he did. Hmm?